Hi guys, today I'm doing some more comparison of Midjourney and Leonardo AI. I have 4 prompts created in Notepad, which I'm going to be copying and pasting into each platform to see what results it gives me. It's very interesting to see the differences in the 2 platforms, and it's sometimes really amusing. So let's get started. We're going to copy the first prompt, which is baseball with red stitching. I'm using very basic prompts here. I don't want to add too much complexity into it, for the fact that both platforms interpret each little aspect of the prompt in a different way. So I'm going to keep it very basic. So baseball with red stitching. We're going to go into Midjourney right now and /imagine. And I'll paste that in there. Whoops, that's not the right. Might want to copy it. Okay, we got our prompt ready. Let's go into our Notepad file. I have it highlighted. I'll just hit Control C. Go back to our prompt. Control V. And enter. Now while that's generating, it takes a little while because it makes you wait in a queue. Let's go into Leonardo AI. I already was playing around with this. I said softball with red stitching, and this is what it gave me. So let's try baseball with red stitching and generate. So we go back to our Discord server here and see what Midjourney is going to give us. So it's at 62% right now. It takes a little while. Okay, so that's what it gives us when we type in baseball with red stitching. Doesn't really look much like baseballs. That's my phone going off there. I'm just going to turn the volume down on that. Okay. Now back to Leonardo AI. This is what it gives us, baseball with red stitching. It doesn't really interpret that prompt very well. I guess you would have to add some more detail in there to get what you're actually looking for. It doesn't really understand baseball. Okay, so let's go get our next prompt. Cute dog sticker with pink and blue accents. This should be interesting. I'm going to copy that, Control C, go into Discord, type in imagine, get your Midjourney prompt, hit Control V, and let her go. Do the same in here, and we'll just wait for that to generate and see what difference. Okay, so this is started. So it gives us 2 dogs. It is stickers, alright. It looks like stickers. Not really what we're looking for. We just want one little dog. If I add in a negative prompt here, I'll just say we don't want more than 1 dog. Okay, so we'll try that again. Go back to in here and see what we got. That is fairly cute. It is. Let's bring it up so we can see. Oh yeah, if you wanted to do little dog stickers, let's try it with a dog breed. /imagine cute dog sticker. Say, what's the little dog breed? Yorkie. Say Yorkshire Terrier. SHRETERRIER sticker with pink and blue accents. So it still gives us, even though we said we don't want more than 1 dog, it still gives us stickers with more than 1 dog. See if we change the prompt to cute, take dog out of here, go back to cute sticker of 1 Yorkshire Terrier See what that does. Okay, so in Midjourney it gives us a really cute little sticker. It gives us 4 because we had 4 selected there. That's very cute. It is a Yorkshire Terrier, no doubt. It does have pink and blue accents. There's only one. So I'd say that Midjourney is the winner for this prompt. Let's escape out of here and go into here. Now, it still gives us a ton. It's not a sticker. And this little dog doesn't have any eyes. Probably inbred. Okay, so Midjourney's the winner for that prompt. Next prompt we have is dandelion flower. So we'll hit Control C. Back to our Discord server for Midjourney. Imagine. Pretty basic. Let's see what we get. In here we'll just do the same. Dandelion flower. We'll take the negative prompt out. Turn that off. And hit generate. We'll wait to compare these two now. Oh, looks like it's going to give us a fuzzy dandelion with fluff on it. Oh, that's actually really pretty. Oh, it gives us similar in here. But it's kind of distorted. It doesn't look right here. And it got 2 stems. Let's try yellow dandelion flower. We'll say 1 yellow dandelion flower. And we'll do the same in Midjourney. Let's see what Leonardo gives us. A little bit off the wall. Midjourney lost this challenge. Sorry, Leonardo lost this challenge. This would be awesome if it was just 1. So there are ways to do that. I'm still investigating all the different options that you can add to your prompts to get what you want. And I'm just experimenting, and that's why I'm doing these videos. And I'd like for you to follow along with me while I'm doing it. Oh, now this is really nice. Yeah, this is what we're going for. Yep, looks kind of realistic. The leaves are not right here, but that's okay. So again, Midjourney wins this one. Okay, our final prompt for this video is a painting of a beautiful sunset over a stormy ocean and black clouds in the distance. Copy that. We'll start it off in Midjourney. And we'll take it into Leonardo as well. I'm using the Leonardo creative model. There's all different models that you can choose from, and they'll all provide very, very different results. So let's try this. Beautiful painting of a beautiful sunset over a stormy ocean and black clouds in the distance. Hit generate, and we'll go back to Discord. This is still waiting to start, so yeah, we're in the queue here. So we'll go back to Leonardo. That's pretty good. It is a sunset, stormy ocean, black clouds in the distance. That looks very nice. See if this has started yet. Not quite. We'll just have to take our time and wait for this one. I'm going to go in Leonardo and play with that prompt. I'm going to change the aspect ratio on this. Let's go for 16 by 9, so that will give you a landscape style painting. So we'll try this again. So a pink sunset, beautiful pink sunset and purple clouds. See what Discord is doing here. Still not started. Okay, I'm also going to copy this. Oh wow, that's pretty interesting. The sunset is a little bit screwed up here. We don't need a sunset over there, but that's really easy to fix in Leonardo. If we wanted to do that, we could just go into, you go back, you go to AI Canvas, and we'll upload an image, previous generations. We'll get the one we want to fix, which is this one. And oops. Just trying to figure out how to do this. Use as input image. Oh, here we go. Edit in Canvas. There's 3 little dots here at the bottom of the image. You select Edit in Canvas. Okay. So this is what we want to get rid of. We don't want that here because it looks very, very strange. We're just going to take that over there and we're going to just type in water and clouds. Because we put this little frame around this section here, it'll regenerate it. But before I do that, I gotta add a mask, draw a mask on it. So by drawing a mask on it, it'll tell it that you don't want this part, you want it to regenerate something else. Okay, so we hit generate. And it took it out of it, look. Took it right out. Okay. Pretty cool. Okay, we'll get out of this now and we'll go back to our main section here. Exit the editor. Okay. We'll go back into our AI image generation. If we would have wanted to save that picture, we would have downloaded it in the image editor, the canvas editor. Wonder if Discord got our picture done yet? Yes, it does. It's totally different. Totally different. Pretty dark. Pretty dark. I like this one. Okay, so let's go back and we're going to upscale number 3. 1, 2, 3. So we'll upscale that and that'll give us that image separately. So this is going to wait to start as well. Sometimes the upscales take longer, sometimes they don't take as long. Back in here, I'm going to copy this prompt as well, and I'm going to check that one out in Discord in Midjourney. So imagine, paste that in there. That's with the pink sunset over stormy ocean and purple clouds in the distance. So now we got 2 jobs waiting to go here. So the upscale is taking longer. It will do it eventually. Okay, this is going to be very interesting. Sometimes it gives it to you on a canvas, like as a painting. Because it interprets it as a painting, so they're probably thinking that you want it as a painting on a canvas. Okay, so we're going to upscale which one? I like this one here. That's number 1. We'll upscale that. Okay, we finally got our upscale of our previous request that we sent. And that is very beautiful. I find the paintings in Midjourney are more realistic. Okay, escape out of that. We're waiting for this upscale as well now. And that's the purple one, this one. Let's try it in a different, model. Let's try Leonardo signature and see what that gives us. Exact same prompt as was used to generate these images, but a different model. So hit generate. Wow, that's different altogether. Look. That's really nice. Okay. Tried in one more different model. Let's try Dream Shaper 5. That's a model that I chose from somebody else's image. And we'll hit generate. Now that might give us something totally wacky because the last time I used it I got images that I was not expecting. But this is incredible. This is really beautiful. I like that. So it's a roll of the dice every time you send a prompt. You never know what you're going to get. I guess as you get more proficient with the prompts and knowing what to put in there and how it interprets what you put in there, it would give you some more predictable results. Okay, we got our upscale of this one. Again, very beautiful. Very realistic looking painting. Okay, so we open that in browser, it makes it even bigger again. Yeah, the detail is amazing. So that's 4 instances of different prompts and how they interpret them differently. Please leave a comment and let us know which one you think won out. Personally, I think in this challenge that Midjourney won the challenge. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified when I put up new videos. Really helps the algorithm and it helps me be able to help you figure this out as well. So have a great day.